As businesses expand into the metaverse, cybersecurity becomes more critical than ever. Protecting digital assets in this immersive virtual environment requires more than traditional safeguards. Companies must ensure user authentication, secure data storage, and robust encryption to defend against cyber threats. Regular employee training and updated security protocols can help prevent breaches and social engineering attacks. By prioritizing digital safety, businesses can confidently innovate in the metaverse while safeguarding their reputation, assets, and customer trust. The metaverse is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly evolving digital frontier. From platforms like Meta to decentralized environments such as Decentraland and Sandbox, the metaverse is gaining traction across industries. But it's more than just a virtual space. It's a new dimension for business innovation. Companies are already leveraging the metaverse to host immersive virtual events, deliver interactive product demonstrations, and craft next-level customer experiences. As this digital universe expands, we're witnessing a deeper integration of core business functions. From secure virtual transactions and blockchain-based data storage to managing intellectual property in decentralized environments, businesses are embedding real-world operations into the metaverse. The impact is clear. The metaverse is redefining how brands connect, operate, and grow in the digital age. As the metaverse continues to expand, so do its vulnerabilities. This new digital landscape, while full of opportunity, also presents a host of cybersecurity threats that organizations and users must be prepared to face. Within these immersive environments, data breaches, identity theft, and online scams are not just possibilities, they're already happening. The very nature of the metaverse, with its vast networks and real-time interactions, creates new entry points for malicious actors. One of the most pressing concerns is the rise of virtual assets, from NFTs to digital currencies and virtual real estate. These assets often hold real-world value, making them prime targets for theft, fraud, and unauthorized transfers. Losing access to a virtual wallet or having an NFT hijacked can result in significant financial and reputational damage. Moreover, many metaverse platforms are still evolving and may lack mature security protocols, leaving users exposed to phishing attempts, social engineering, and other forms of exploitation. In this fast-changing ecosystem, cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential. To thrive in the metaverse, businesses and users alike must adopt robust protection strategies, ensure digital asset security, and remain vigilant against emerging threats. As businesses step into the metaverse, protecting digital assets and user interactions becomes a critical priority. The immersive nature of these platforms demands a proactive cybersecurity strategy tailored to this evolving environment. To mitigate the risks, businesses should begin by implementing robust authentication measures, multi-factor authentication, biometric verification, and secure login protocols can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Data encryption must be standard, both in transit and at rest, to safeguard sensitive information from being intercepted or compromised. Likewise, using strong, regularly updated passwords and ensuring password hygiene across systems is essential. But technology alone isn't enough. One of the most powerful defenses is an informed team. That's why security awareness training for employees is vital. Teams should be trained to recognize phishing attempts, social engineering tactics, and unusual activity within metaverse platforms. By combining smart technology choices with human vigilance, businesses can create a secure and resilient foundation as they explore and operate within the metaverse. As businesses venture into the metaverse, safeguarding their digital presence is more important than ever. The immersive and decentralized nature of these virtual environments brings exciting opportunities, but also unique cybersecurity challenges. To protect your organization, start with practical cybersecurity measures. Ensure that every access point is secured with strong authentication protocols, preferably multi-factor authentication, to verify users' identities effectively. Next, focus on data protection. Encrypt all sensitive information, both in storage and during transmission, so that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized users. Reinforce this with the use of strong, unique passwords that are changed regularly and managed securely. But technology alone isn't the full solution. Human behavior plays a major role in digital security. That's why it's critical to implement ongoing security awareness training for your employees. Equip your teams with the knowledge to recognize potential threats, avoid phishing scams, and practice safe behavior in virtual spaces. By combining strong security tools with educated, vigilant teams, business ethicists can confidently navigate the metaverse, securely and successfully. To operate securely in the metaverse, businesses must go beyond basic safeguards and adopt a multi-layered security approach. This means integrating technologies like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and anti-malware tools to build a comprehensive defense strategy that protects against a wide range of threats. One powerful tool in the metaverse security arsenal is blockchain technology. By leveraging decentralized ledgers, businesses can ensure secure, tamper-proof data storage and enable transparent, verifiable transactions, especially important in environments where trust and data integrity are paramount. Equally important is the need for regular security audits and penetration testing. These proactive assessments help identify hidden vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. They also strengthen your overall security posture, ensuring your systems stay resilient against evolving threats. In the fast-moving world of the metaverse, security is not a one-time setup. It's an ongoing commitment. By adopting these best practices, businesses can confidently embrace innovation while protecting their people, assets, and reputation.
At C.H.N.Y.D. Trace, our mission is to empower organizations with seamless compliance management across complex regulatory landscapes. Powered by Audit G, our AI-driven compliance platform, we unify multiple frameworks such as ISO 27001, NIST, CSF, SOC2, and beyond, under a meta framework structure. This unique approach allows businesses to map their existing IT and operational infrastructure to globally recognized standards, eliminating silos and duplication. Through built-in crosswalks, organizations can align controls from one framework to another, saving time, reducing audit fatigue, and increasing compliance readiness. We start by applying baseline frameworks like SOC2 as the foundation, then enrich posture maturity by layering controls from ISO, NIST, GDPR, HIPAA, or others as per industry needs. Using continuous monitoring, automated gap analysis, and real-time control status tracking, Audit G ensures that each client always stays compliant, secure, and audit-ready. Whether you're a fast-scaling startup or an enterprise managing multi-geography compliance, Audit G and C.H.N.Y.D. Trace give you the confidence to build digital trust while accelerating certifications and demonstrating commitment to security and privacy.